Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be hopefully being able to show how to fix WLAN connections in Windows 10. So we're going to go through what I think to be a pretty straightforward method today. This isn't going to be guaranteed to work for everybody, and I might make a couple of variations of this tutorial for some of you guys, but I believe this should hopefully work for a good number of you. So we're going to get into how to solve this fairly common issue that many people have. So we're going to start by heading over to the Start menu. You want to type in Control Panel, and then it should be listed as a desktop app. So you want to left click on that. Left click on the View By category up at the top if it says Category. You want to make it either large or small icons. I'm just going to set small icons. And then you want to navigate over to where it says Device Manager on the left side here. View and update your hardware settings and driver software is what it should say if you hover over it. So again, left click on that. You want to go down until you get to see network adapters and left click on the little drop down arrow next to that. You might have multiple network adapters on here as well, so just keep that in mind. All you want to do is right click on it and then proceed to left click on update driver software. How do you want to search for driver software? Select the first option that says search automatically for updated driver software. So this may take a moment. So it says the best driver software for your device is already installed. In many cases, it might not be the most recently installed version of the driver. You can also manually download and install drivers from the internet. So if I go on this little back arrow on this window, if we didn't get any results there, if you left click on Browse My Computer for driver software, if you've already downloaded the driver from the internet, you can manually install it through here. I have made a brief tutorial in the past on how to do that, so just check out my channel for that. But other than that, hopefully that should resolve any WLAN connection issues you might have on your computer. Please make sure all your connections are plugged in. If for some reason you do not have a wireless adapter on your computer and you're using a USB plug, try unplugging it and plugging it back in and then restart your computer. Also try resetting your router. That's also a possibility as well. So try a couple different alternative methods that require a more manual approach, but you might be surprised at how often it can fix some of these common issues. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.